Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We are here in the Corvette once again. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading lately, but the Corvette has been down getting a few upgrades, as you can see. We did a minor lift kit install and a truck bed conversion. It came out really well. I basically went to a local shop around here and told them that I wanted a modern day El Camino and try their best, and this was the end result. So it kind of looks like a Ford Ranger, but it's definitely a Corvette. To me, it feels like a completely different vehicle, but they assured me, like, back and forth that it was definitely the same Corvette. It just looks a little bit differently. It's going to perform slower because it's not as aerodynamic. And then I signed like a bunch of papers and stuff, and I was on my way. This could actually be one of the slowest trucks ever produced. So we're going to turn the AC off, and we're going to do a 40 to 60 roll. You guys couldn't see it, but a little girl on a Huffy bicycle actually just passed me. All right, guys, so as you hopefully figured out by now, we're not actually in the Corvette today. We are in my Ford Ranger, which is my daily driver. And the reason we're in the truck today is because I want to update you guys on everything that's been going on lately. I haven't been uploading a lot because the Corvette has been getting some work done by Rick over at Rick Speed. Now, the good news is that the car is back in my garage and everything went fine. We just need to get the car tuned, and then we're going to be well on our way with some more Corvette content. I wanted to thank you guys also if you're new to the channel, because the subscriber growth has been crazy lately, so thank you all for that. So this is my 2010 or 2011 Ford Ranger. They're literally all the same, guys, so I'm not sure what year it is, but it's definitely one of those two. There's really nothing special about the truck. There's nothing that's done to it. It's the most basic option truck you could possibly get. I mean, I have crank windows, I have a rubber floor, I have a bunch of dings from where people like open their doors like into my truck, which is why I don't daily drive the Corvette for that very reason. It has a little bit of rust on it from winter time when they put a bunch of salt on the road, and it ruins basically your daily driver car. Not that the Corvette would rust, but obviously the Corvette isn't made for the winter, so I won't be driving that in the winter. Now, guys, I will be adding another vehicle to the channel relatively soon. The only issue is that I don't know what it is that I want to buy. I for sure want a backseat. It's got to be four-wheel drive because it does snow in Ohio, and the Ranger isn't any good in the snow. It could be an all-wheel drive car. Now, I used to have an Evo 10, and I really enjoyed that. The SCIs are really cool. I'm open to the ideas that maybe something four-wheel drive like a Jeep. So do me a favor and leave me a comment down below, because I do want your input on what I should buy. I want to incorporate you guys in my decision making. I think it'd be fun to have everybody involved. And other than that, there's really nothing else that I have going on right now. So I'm going to end this video on me washing my truck for the first time in like the past maybe year and a half or so.